Good day, ma'am. This is our report from Group 16. My name is Christine Peligro. Our topic is all about Region 13 Caraga region. The objectives are for students to firstly identify the major attractions, activities, accommodations, and cultural highlights in Caraga's provinces. Secondly, design tour packages featuring different types of tourism activities in the region. Lastly, evaluate Caraga, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats using the 4 A's of tourism: attractions, accessibility, accommodations, and amenities. Proceed. Major attractions and activities is Agusan del Norte, Agusan del Sur is historical and cultural landmarks or Magellan Marker and ancestral houses, churches, museums, and natural attractions like Lake Minette, Mount Hilong-Hilong, Agusan Marsh Wildlife Sanctuary, waterfalls, caves, lakes, and sanctuaries. Next, Surigao del Norte and Surigao del Sur is famous natural spots such as Siargao Island, Bukas Grande, Mabwa Pebble Beach, Magpungpungko Rock Formation, Tinoyan Falls, Britannia Islets, and Enchanted River and the Asan Floating Village, plus cultural sites like ancestral houses and eco parks. So gani matagpuan ito mga famous na katuanan ng mga utaw or mga tourist na mga gikan sa, for example, gikan sa gawas mabisit sa kanato lugar kay para maka-experience silan kung ano kadayaw ang kanato mga like for example tong gilang kokaina labira ang Siargao Island na katuan ng mga turista. Next, Dinagat Island, unique attractions including PBMA, Shrine Can Pedro Cantiase, Footbridge, White Castle, International Dollhouse, and Forester Park. So ngani kuno matagpuan ang Footbridge and White Castle ngani sa Dinagat Island. Next, built attractions, Diosdado Macapagal Suspensions Bridge, Banza Shorts, Rains Nipa Wine Distillery, Bayogan Rotunda, and Provincial Parks. Next, accommodation in Caraga Region 13. Caraga offers a wide range of accommodations from budget below to 1,500 night, mid-range then 1,500, total is 3,000 night. So high-end maabot yan ng 3,000 plus night. Next, Agusan del Norte is nga ni ang kakuan ka mo to ng like for example hotels, inns and resorts such as Balanghay Hotel, Almond Inland Resort, Go Hotels, Butuan Watergate Hotel, and several budget lodging. So kung gusto mo nandayan ng hotel, so kadto lang kamo sa Agusan del Norte kaya nga to ang Balanghay Hotel, Almond Inland Resort, and Watergate Hotel. Next, Surigao del Sur. Surigao del Sur accommodations include Parkway Hotel, Caguait Beach Resort, White Sands, Paradise, and Monica del Sol Resort. So, kung gusto sa mayo sa kuan, kuan sagad kita kung ano ka gana sa ang Caguait Beach. Labira ang kanyang buhangin kay kuno hay white sand. So, isa sad na ka-attract ang kanilang buhangin ngadto sa Caguait Beach.
Good day, ma'am. I am Johnny G. Palma. I am a second reporter of Chapter 16, which means Region 13, Caraga Region. So, my topic is food, pasalubong, and festivals in Caraga. Agusan del Norte. So, sa Agusan del Norte, na mga pagkaon is binaga, which is roasted mudfish. So, makita nato yung sa picture. Then, crabs, balut, nilusak or nilupak, palagsing, ug daing. Then, next is Dinagat Islands. So, sa Dinagat Islands, ang ilang mga pagkaon nga to is cassava-based dishes, sizzling gambas, and seafood specialties. Seafood specialties. Makita gina. Next is Surigao del Norte. So sa Surigao del Norte is makita nato yung mga picture, yung mga pagkaon, mga adobong sahang, sayungsong or rice cake, put-put, then shellfish, then kenelaw, ginamos. Makita nato yon ang mga kuan nato sa kuan mga ginamos, like fermented fish, then gigagit rum or dried pijanga, then coffee. Next is festivals and event, Agusan del Norte. So, araw ng Agusan del Norte in June 12 to 17 is a founding anniversary. Ang araw kuno ng Agusan del Norte is June 12 to 17. Next is Balangay Festival. So, Balangay Festival is May. Kuan gisa ng May. Sa Butuan City, month-long celebration gid nila yaon. Next is Kahimunan Festival or third Sunday of January in honor of Senior Santo Niño. Then is next is Abayan Festival, last Sunday of July. Last Sunday ng July is mag-celebrate sila ng Abayan Festival, honoring Saint Anne, patroness of Agusan River. Next is Agusan del Sur, Naliyagan Festival. So, ang Naliyagan Festival is nagakuan siya ng month is June 12 to 18. Founding anniversary gid nila yon. Then is next is Kaamulan Festival. Kaamulan Festival is September 23. Ila yung Thanksgiving for harvest. Next is Angot Festival. Ang Angot Festival is September 28 in honor of Saint Michael the Archangel. Next is Dinagat Islands. So, first is Bugkusan sa Isla Festival. So, ang Bugkusan sa Isla ng Festival is December 1st week gid nila yon. Showcases cultures. Next is Serong-Serong Festival. So, Serong-Serong Festival is June 28 to 29 in honor of Saint Peter and Paul. So, maga-celebrate gid sila ng Serong-Serong Festival is June 28 to 29. Next is Lawigan Festival na maga-celebrate sila ng month of May 14 to 15 sa Loreto Founding Anniversary. Ila yon kuan. Next is Dinagat Islands Triathlon Challenge on May 18. So, biggest Chartillon in Caraga gid nila yaon sa Dinagat Island. So sa Surigao del Norte. Sa Surigao del Norte is Bunok-Bunok Festival on September 9 to 10 in honor of San Nicolas de Tolentino. Nag-celebrate nila ang Bunok-Bunok Festival on September 9 to 10. Next is Pasayan Festival. So Pasayan Festival is September 10. Thanksgiving for shrimp harvest nila yon. So pag September 10 is celebrate sila ng Pasayan Festival. Next is Paskuhan. So sa Paskuhan is December 1 to 24. Lantern making and parade nila yan sa Surigao del Norte. Next is Siargao Invitational Game Fishing Tournament on May 6 to 10. So sa Surigao del Sur, ga-celebrate sila ng Kaliguan Festival on June 21 to 25 in honor of Saint John the Baptist. So Kaliguan Festival is kuan sila ng June 21 to 25. Panhinungod Festival on July 15 in honor of Our Lady of Mount Carmel. Caraga Region Culture, Industry, and Trivia. Cultural groups. Majority are migrants from Luzon and Visayas. Indigenous groups include the Manobo and Mamanoa tribes. The Mamanoa are distinct for their language, circular settlement, /and-burn farming, and respect-based leadership, not hereditary. Then, major industries: agriculture or palay, corn, coconut, banana, rubber, oil palm, calamansi, seafoods, abaca, coffee, livestock, poultry, high-value crops, or arts and crafts, fashion, accessories, housewares, mining, iron, gold, silver, nickel, chromite, manganese, and copper. So this is a Caraga Region Culture, Industry, and Trivia. Next is language or dialects. So ano sa language is Surigaonon, Cebuano, Butuanon, Manobo, Visayan, and English. And that's all. Thank you. That's the last report. Thank you.